Hello everyone. Get ready to dive into a world of perfection with some of the most oddly satisfying moments ever captured. The challenge? Try not to say wow as you watch flawless performances and perfectly executed tasks. Can you keep your cool while witnessing pure mastery? Let's jump right in and find out. After watching this video, I might just go buy one for myself to use when the thick layers of snow stubbornly cling to the car. At this point, I feel satisfied for the worker for the perfection of this tool. You won't be able to help but be amazed when you see this. Smoothing out concrete has never been easier. The ingenuity of the worker and this wonderful tool make the job done quickly. Wow, I can't believe it. This machine uses a hand crank to harvest honey, and the operation process is truly astonishing. Each drop of honey is collected perfectly and smoothly. By the end of the video, you will see golden honey flowing out, shimmering in the light, looking absolutely beautiful. I have never seen a machine that can be so wonderful. It moves along the vertical axis of the wood beam. The machine operates rhythmically. Each steel bar is cut precisely as if everything has been programmed perfectly. Each cut is decisive. Then the steel bar is gently released into a specialized tray, creating a sophisticated and amazing process. This tool cleans the cooking surface incredibly quickly. Wherever it moves, every stain disappears instantly, leaving a shiny surface like new. Automation always amazes us. This video shows that the application of automation in the wood industry is essential. This machine is cutting stone into beautiful patterns, with each cut sharp and delicate, as if carved by the hands of an artisan. This process is both precise and miraculous, producing artistic stoneworks. If you find it interesting, please help me by liking, sharing, subscribing, and leaving a comment below. Another video that leaves viewers in awe. This machine is skillfully picking up each small component and assembling it into a watch with absolute precision. Looking at each detail being perfectly completed, we can see the sophistication and efficiency that modern technology brings. This robotic arm is creating an impressive 3D artwork. Each of its movements is precise and smooth, with layers of material stacked perfectly. Watching it work, one can clearly feel the finesse and creativity that technology brings to art and production. Oh my God, how is this even possible? From a rough metal sheet, he transformed it into a shiny mirror. The polishing process is magical, with each gentle and skillful movement making the metal surface smooth and perfect. Seeing this transformation, I can't help but be amazed at the craftsman's talent. He is using heat to cut foam layers accurately and skillfully, creating many beautiful pieces. Each cut is made delicately, allowing him to create unique and creative shapes, from flowers to complex 3D models. This process not only demonstrates skill but also artistic creativity, making me marvel at his incredible abilities. This machine creates springs effortlessly and accurately. Each spring coil is rolled up rhythmically, leaving me in awe of their perfection. This tool is like a compass, helping to draw perfect circles on the tile. Just place it in position and the circle appears accurately, very convenient and easy to use. find it interesting, please leave a like, share, and comment below.